Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix screen capture blocked in WhatsApp. To solve this problem, just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, go to your phone settings, scroll down, click on apps. Storage, clear cache and clear data. Connections, more connection settings. Now turn off VPN. Turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now restart your phone. After restarting, go to Play Store. And update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating, your problem will be solved. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.